southwest Montana, valid for the week of October 21st through the 27th. There are two main points to address this week. First, fair weather continues today and Friday with breezy afternoons and above average temperatures. Second, the pattern changes Friday night. A series of strong Pacific storms will provide periods of beneficial rain and mountain snow, which then continues on through next week. Even with the transition to an active weather pattern, we have only minor to possibly moderate weather-related hazards to consider this week. You may pause here for a moment to review, and then I'll continue on to describe these in further detail. So first, let's consider the 7-day temperature forecast for Great Falls and for Bozeman. Forecasts are shown with respect to average temperatures. Note, in both locations, the forecast shows a change on Friday night from above average to near average temperatures. This change occurs as a series of Pacific storm systems begins to affect the regional weather. This is a high confidence pattern change, although the details of any forecast will be subject to change. As temperatures near 70 degrees on Friday, we note potential fire weather-related hazards due to the combination of warm temperatures, low humidity, and gusty winds. These are not critical fire weather criteria, but given the ongoing drought conditions, it's enough to warrant caution with any new fires. An impressive series of strong and wet Pacific storm systems are lining up to impact the Pacific Northwest. These storms commonly dissipate while moving inland, so most impacts will be experienced west of the Continental Divide. The total precipitation amounts will be adjusted as we progress through the week. Initial forecasts indicate a beneficial soaking rain of up to about 2 inches for the mountain ranges of southern Madison and Gallatin counties. Some of that rain could fall as snow at the higher elevations in that area. The northern Rockies could see around 1/2 to 1.5 inches, while the plains and valleys might be left with only a trace to around 2/10 of an inch of rain. Most of this total rainfall appears likely to occur between Monday and Tuesday. Precipitation rates do not appear suitable to warrant concern for burn scar flash flooding, but the potential should be monitored as we near the end of a long fire season. Mountain snow is also likely at times with each of these passing weather systems. However, a Pacific weather pattern tends to be mild, with relatively high snow levels. Overall, we are confident that any significant snow accumulation will remain above mountain passes. These maps show the chances for total snow accumulation to exceed 1 inch and 4 inches respectively. Thus, confidence is low that even southwest mountain snowfall will exceed much more than about 4 inches. These Pacific storm systems will energize the west to southwesterly winds across the Rocky Mountains. These graphs show the average wind speed forecasts from among a blend of forecast models at Cutbank and at Ennis. The green shading shows the forecast variability. The thick black line on the bottom is the probability of sustained winds exceeding 25 miles per hour, with the scale on the right. While not focusing too much on the exact numbers, the overall point is that windy conditions will continue throughout the week ahead. We do not expect impactful high winds, although we'll need to monitor the potential for higher winds along the Rocky Mountain front by about Tuesday or Wednesday next week. The Week 2 outlook, taking us into November, suggests overall unsettled conditions will continue, with equal chances for above or below normal temperatures and precipitation for north central and southwest Montana. Thanks for listening to our weekly weather briefing. Please feel free to call us if you have any comments or questions. Have a great day.